What's going on, brother Billy here. Now, a bit of a different introduction from the usual setting in the car. We're gonna get straight into it. Like, follow, share, subscribe, all of that. But for the video, I've got a special one, and today I have just received the package, the Maxton Design front splitter. Now, this isn't sponsored by Maxton Design at all. But if Maxton Design do want to contact me and do a bit of business, then, I don't know. But anyways, so a little bit of a backstory. So I ordered this. The part was around 219 quid, the front splitter. And then about 40 quid, 25 quid for postage and packaging, which is all right, actually. Now, when I ordered the part, when it was delivered, I'm not going to name the company that delivered it, but the box was all battered. The corner of the box, I mean, look, I'll show you a picture. Can you see? So I contacted Maxton. I took pictures of it, opened it all up, and I contacted Maxton. And I went, look, listen, there's a few issues with it, and I'm not happy. I'm really not happy with it. So Elliot, his name was Elliot, top lad from Maxton Design. He picked up the phone and he goes to me, listen, send me the pictures. So I sent him the pictures, and there's a bit of a dent. Look, I'll show you here. And he goes that because the dent is on the inside of the fin, which when you put it against your bumper, you won't really be able to see it. They didn't have to do this. And I did say to him that, look, I'm not sending nothing back. It's too much effort for me. He goes, look, we'll give you a 15% discount. So I was like, you know what, Elliot from Maxton Design, you legend. Yeah, that's calm. Let's do it. So without further ado, here is the Maxton splitter. I mean, I'm just going to quickly show you it while it's open on the floor, and then we're going to get into the install of it. This is the splitter. To be fair, it's quite a big splitter. I mean, this is not the splitter. He's not the splitter. That's the splitter there. Yeah, you know what? Let's get onto the install. Let's do it. Guys, it's finally time to put the new splitter on. I've got my good friend Tisnan. You'll recognize him from the Brain Cell podcasts. He's coming down to give me a hand, and yeah, we're gonna get started. Let's do this. So just a bit of a before picture. This is what the vehicle looked like beforehand. As you can see, it's very plain. Now this is after putting the new splitter on. I'll get into exactly how we did it. So putting the splitter on was actually quite easy. Maxton have got this down to a T. Everything sits perfectly within the notches, and as you can see, there's holes that are not drilled out but marked out for exactly where you need to screw in. So all I did was just get a bit of a bit on my drill, make the holes, and then just push these screws in. Now they do come with self-tapping screws. What I've done is I've added a bolt on the other side, so it's bolted in, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. There's nothing out of shape. Now you do need two people to do this, only because when you're doing one side, you need the other side to stay up. Otherwise it's not going to be a good fit. But yeah, I mean, look, even can you see the holes match up perfectly. I'm very, very impressed with how Maxton Design have designed this particular splitter for this car, and as you can see from how it looks, it just transforms the whole look of the car. The sun was in the way, but yeah, it transforms the whole look of the car. It doesn't make it look like a shark, like a pointy front to it. Now it gives it that aggressive look. Now the only thing that I need to do is get the lighter grey over the arches of the wheels painted, make that a bit more glossier. But as you can see, it looks a lot more aggressive now as opposed to the pictures when we first put it in. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. And the fitment, I can't stress how good Maxton Design have got this fitment. Right, all you have to do is just drill out the holes. You don't even have to drill it into the bottom of your car. You just drill out the holes on the splitter itself, and then just push the screws and it screws in. Here's what it looks like officially. It looks looks gorgeous. It changes the whole look of the car, makes it a lot more beastly. Let me know if you agree. I love this picture. As that's done, like I said, Maxton is the place to go to get your body kits. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but yeah. And the story with Maxton is, what happened was, when I got the splitter, the delivery company damaged the box. So I rang up Maxton. They sorted out 15% discount on it as well, so I got it a bit cheaper. Now the good thing about Maxton, like I said in the video, is all of the holes come pre-marked out, so all you have to do is then just screw it in. So it's the fitment was exact, so I'm really happy with it. I think I'm gonna get the rear diffuser, the spoiler, and see what else I can get. And yeah, so that's me, Brother Billy, Project Porsche, signing out. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that, you get me?